Well, hey everybody, I just wrapped up some work in Sauk Center, Minnesota, and my plan was to go check out the Sauk Wildlife Management Area, which is just south of town, and that was the plan, but there is a blizzard coming, and I thought maybe I could go check it out before that starts to roll in. But I drove down and the road is super icy. It's starting to drift in. I got some video of it and I'll show it to you in a second, but I've decided, since I'm by myself, it's getting glare ice, and you'll see that if I go down some hills, I'm not getting back up. So be on the safe side, I'm just gonna pass today. But check out this video. This area is in for like 20 inches of snow in the next 24 hours. And it blows really bad here, so it's gonna drift in. So if you're in central Minnesota now, batten down the hatches. It's gonna be bad for the next couple of days, and be safe.